In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a passport size photo in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank document. Now once you are in your blank document, we need to insert a photo first. So look at the ribbon at the top and click on the Insert tab. Click on Pictures. Click on this device. Just locate as to where you have saved your picture or your image. So I have this saved in my desktop. Now simply click on Insert. Now once you have inserted a picture, simply make a right click and then you have to select for the crop option. But if you don't have the crop option from here, you don't have to make a right click. Just simply click on the Picture Format tab and here you'll find this option, Crop. Click on Crop. And then just crop it to the desired part of the photo that you want to be in the passport size photo. Now once done, right click on your photo and in here you'll find the option wrap text. Choose square, okay, so that you can easily move this. And then you just have to simply put a border in it. So you'll have your picture border. Click on this drop down and then you just need to simply choose a color. For the weight of the picture border, you just have to simply choose from here. Okay? Or you also have this picture styles. So if you want to put it like that, okay, it's up to you. So you can choose that from. Now we're going to go with the size. So click on your photo and then make a right click and then you'll have here size and position. So you have here for the height and width. Passport size is 4.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. Again, it's 4.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. Oh, make sure to uncheck this option, lock aspect ratio. Now let's go back so that you can put the exact size from here. Okay, it's 4.5 or 4.50 centimeters, and for the width it's 3.5, like that. Okay, so as you can see, the size for the height it's 4.5 centimeters and for the width it's 3.5 centimeters. You have here the option lock aspect ratio. Make sure to uncheck this option so that you can put the exact size from here and then click on OK. And that's it. Now how can we make a lot of this photo? Just press the Control key on your keyboard and then drag this like that and to the bottom. Just press the Control key. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily make a passport size photo in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.